Hi children, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you letter N. So we're going to say the capital letter N and small letter n. So let's see, the first one is uppercase letter. So this is uppercase letter and this is lowercase letter. Okay, we are going to make a letter N sound. N, 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 null. N, 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 noodles. N, n is for, let's see, nest. So we go and see the next word. N, n is for nose. Is for nose. Okay, go and see the next word. Is for necklace. Is for necklace. Next. Is for nails. Is for nails. Next one. Is for nappy. Is for nappy. Next. Is for newspaper. N is for newspaper. So let's see the next word start with letter N. Letter N is needle. Then next one is start with letter N is nectar. Next picture is start with letter N is neck. Okay, let's see what's the next picture. The letter N start with narwhal. Okay, let's see what's the next picture start with net. Okay, let's see what's the next picture start with N is nut. So this is nut. The next picture is for none. Next letter is start with N is nurse. Next one is start with N is noodle. The next picture is 9. This picture will see is for night. So we are finished. Today is the night. The letter N start with. These are all the pictures. Start with letter N. So what's the sound, children? The sound is n, 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 nose. Is for 9. Okay. So today I'm going to wind up. So we'll come back with another letter tomorrow. But please subscribe my channel and just like and share my video and just do the bell icon, then you will get the next notification. And children, bye bye.